Rahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Hope you all are fine by the grace of Allah and safe at home. I am Ms. Mehwish, your Islamia teacher. Today we are going to start the exercise of the unit number 6, the masjid, the mosque. In our previous class, we have done reading and explanation of this unit. I hope you have done the reading practice and understand this unit. Let's move to the recap of the unit. A mosque is a holy place where Muslims come to pray 5 times a day. Mosque is a place where Muslims pray. Do you know what is the Arabic word for a mosque? Yes, it's masjid. There is a masjid in Medina. Do you know where is Medina? Medina is in Saudi Arabia. There is a masjid in Medina called Masjid-e-Nabawi or Prophet's Masjid. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, himself took part in its construction and had built it. It was very simple in the beginning, but now it's very big and beautiful. In the beginning, it was very simple. It was built with brick, clay, and palm trees. Now it's very beautiful and big building, and our Prophet himself took part in its construction. So when you talk about the appearance of a mosque, in almost every mosque you can see tall towers. Okay, these tall towers are known as minarets. Do you know what are minarets? Minarets are the long tower, tall towers from where you can hear the azan call or prayer call. Okay, now let's talk about the inside look of a mosque, inside view of a mosque. In every mosque there is a big prayer hall and it has a niche or mihrab. So when you enter in a mosque, you can see a big prayer hall, and there you can observe a niche or mihrab. Do you know what is a mihrab? Mihrab or niche shows the direction of the Qibla or Kaaba. So it shows, the purpose of mihrab is to show the direction of Kaaba. What is Kaaba? Kaaba is the oldest house of prayer in Makkah, and it is very sacred place for Muslims. Since it is holy, so Muslims turn towards the Kaaba when they worship Allah alone. So mihrab shows the direction of Qibla towards which the Muslim turns when they worship Allah. Okay? Mosques are holy places, so it's important to keep them clean, and no one is allowed to enter in the mosque with shoes. So mosques are holy places and we should respect them. Now let's move to its exercise. Unit number 6, the masjid, the mosque. Question number 1, missing letters. A, Medina. B, holy. C, brick. D, palm. E, minarets. You will write these in your notebooks. Now let's move to question number 2. Open your books quickly. Yes, the masjid, the mosque, page number 17, question number 2. Choose the right word to finish these sentences. So the words are holy, Qibla, Muslims, world, Makkah, Kaaba, towers, minarets. Let's move to the first one. You will choose one from these given words to complete the sentences. Number 1, there are mosques all over the dash world. There are mosques all over the world. Number 2, a mosque is a place where the dash pray. A mosque is a place where the Muslims pray. Number 3, mosques are holy places. Number 4, the mihrab shows where the dash is. Yes, mihrab shows where the Qibla is. Dash is the oldest house of prayer in Dash. Kaaba is the oldest house of prayer in Makkah. Number 6, most of the mosques have dash. Most mosques have towers. Most mosques have towers. These towers are called minarets. Okay, you will do this work on your book and question number 1 in your notebooks, and you will learn it by heart. We will meet in the next class. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz. Stay home. Stay blessed.